Meaning of hotfix.
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 Hotfix. A hotfix is a software patch that is designed to address a specific issue or bug in an application. It is typically released outside of a regular software release cycle to quickly resolve critical problems that can impact the functionality or security of the software. Hotfixes are usually small updates that are specifically targeted to fix a single issue and usually do not include new features or updates. The goal of a hotfix is to provide a quick, temporary solution until a more permanent solution can be developed and released through a regular software update.